Exactly. You may say I'm a dreamer. You may say I'm the only one. What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And to be honest, I'm excited for this one. I want to learn something new. So I'll be reacting to John Lennon. Imagine. No, in Jamaica, where I'm from, these songs don't really plays that much. I'm not really sure wherever they plays, but I don't hear them in my place or where I live. So, in fact, it's gonna be a very great experience knowing of John Lennon, right? So, guys, without further ado, help me learn something. And if you guys do have any suggestion that you guys want me to check out, feel free to comment the suggestion down below. I'll be happy to check out that suggestion. Peace.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.
Wow, wow, wow. If this song was so good, then everything would be imaginative, right? Imagine if there is no heaven. Just think of the things that would be happening right now. You understand? Because some music speaks on a lot of things, right? Especially the imaginary things, right? Just imagine what would happen, bro. A lot of things would be taking place right now if we imagine that there is no heaven. Because I've grown up as a youth hearing of this heaven and hell and a lot of things, right? But we are not really certain for true if it's inexistent or not. So we can only imagine if there is no heaven or no hell.
No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today.
Damn, bro. Damn. So a lot of people thinks that heaven is in the sky and hell is down below, right? Imagine if all the people that is in the world existing today is only just living for today. What would be our future? What would tomorrow look like? Right? This is so deep. This music is so deep, right? I love this song, right? It's very questioning, right? And let's do to question a lot of things that is been going on right now.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for.
Damn. What if there is no country? Imagine if there is no country. Nothing would hurt to do, right? Nothing to kill or die. Just imagine all of these things, right? People would live on for eternity. No one will have to worry about death or to born or nothing like that, or to live in fear or to live recklessly. Because I think this whole thing is just a mind manipulation, right? It's all a manipulation. There's something beyond this logical explanation of this entire humanity. Trust me, there's so much beyond this. It's just so hard. We have to just imagine it, right?
and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You.
Damn. Imagine if there's no religion. Imagine if all the people living lives in peace. Because the world is so huge with people. It's mixed with a lot of bad, it's mixed with a lot of good. Right? Just imagine all these people are living so peacefully. The world would be such a better place. Right? It would be so good that we could go anywhere at any time, but because people is just so craving, people is just so envy, people is just so caught up in themselves, they just can't get enough. So they have to go ahead and fight other people for their things if they don't have it and they don't want to work. So imagine if all these people are living in peace. It would be so great, so beautiful.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
Exactly. You may say I'm a dreamer. You may say I'm the only one who imagine these things. But unfortunately, I'm not the only one who think of these things. I'm not the only one who imagine these things. But bro, you're not the only one, bro. I'm here as well. I'm here to listen to see what's up. Because I think about that every day, bro. And it is just so inevitable that we have to go through all this. Right? Just imagine if the world would be so peaceful. We don't have to worry not about nothing at all that is been taking place in this world. Right? Damn, this is so sad, bro.
I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions.
Just imagine, right? All the people in this world, just imagine if all these things is not just for manipulation, right? You'd understand so much. You'd join us so much. You join us to understand. You join us to come to an understanding that all these things should be imagined and put it into reality, right? Imagine all those positions that a person have, right? All the riches, all the things that they've owned, right? Just imagine all of that, right? How would the world would be placed right now if everyone in this world have all the riches? Everyone can be rich, everyone can be poor, everyone can be mutual when it comes on to living, because people would not even use things because they're already rich. The world would be so chaotic, right? There is no peace because everyone is rich. Nobody want to buy nothing at all because they are rich. And how would the place be circling into a proper circle if everything everyone has that they have it already? Money makes the world go around, right? So if everyone should have money, the world would not be rotating because everyone have money and no one need anything to buy. So eventually people will suffer, bro. They will suffer.
I wonder if you can. No
I wonder if you can, right? No need for greed, no need for hunger. As I stated earlier in this reaction, right? People are just so greedy, right? While people are suffering. They need food to eat. So in that case, in that possible scenario, right, people have to go out to get food to eat so they could stay for survival mode. People live for survival, right? Just imagine all those things that would be put aside. People would be living so good that they don't have to worry about the next meal because they are living greatly.
A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may
Just imagine all the people in this world sharing the world together. It would be so amazing. Just imagine that, guys. Just imagine that, right? This song is so perfectly written, compliments on this perfection, bro.
say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you join us.
We're not the only one, and we're not a dreamer, right? So I hope someday you will join us, bro. I'm with you 100%, bro. I join you every day, bro. If you were alive now, I would join you. Unfortunately, he died on October 9, 1940, bro. He was gunned down at outside of his studio, right, where some unknown person do a drive-by shootout and shot him. I do some background checks on him, and I'm really sorry. I think he was a fan of the Beatles back then. He was motivated by the Beatles fame. So I think he joined the Beatles, right? He was a fan of, he was a part of the Beatles. So this was so tragic to hear. I do some reading on him, and if he was alive now, I would totally join him. And bro, I'm with you 100%, bro.
And the world will live as one.
This is a very well written song. I gotta say, bro, amazing song. It is just for imagination, right? But what if his imagination come to reality? Or would it be processing? Or would it go? We don't know. Right. But I'm with him 100%. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next suggestion mode. Peace.